Hi guys, welcome to Ryan and Claire's World of Fun. Recently, we just got back from our holiday to Phu Quoc Vietnam. We stayed on the island for a week and it's actually not easy to get there. It took us 8 hours to fly from Melbourne to Ho Chi Minh City and then 1 hour to fly from Ho Chi Minh City to Phu Quoc Island. And then another 45-minute bus ride to the resort. Alright guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you what buffet breakfast and buffet dinner is like in Vinpearl Wonderworld Phu Quoc. Ooh, before we get to the feast, I'm going to give you a quick room tour of our resort.
What's your room number and name?
Everything is just sparkling clean and luxurious. We've even got our private pool. Guys, check out this view. There are palm trees, lily pads. It's just beautiful. The first night we were very exhausted from traveling, so we ordered room service. The service is the best, the food is the best, everything is highly exquisite. And everything is for a much cheaper price than in Australia. Hey guys, we are in Phu Quoc Vietnam. So this is our resort we're going to stay in for 7 nights, which also means 7 days of buffet breakfast. Who doesn't love a holiday buffet breakfast? Hey Claire, there's buffet breakfast for you up there. Coconuts! So, we're on the tuk-tuk to go to the hotel for buffet breakfast. You need to scan your face to get in. So there's like the standard continental breakfast stuff and cereals, coffees and teas and juices, and freshly baked pastries. Here comes the halal section, the Asian section. Oh, and you know what? They cook your eggs according to your order. Either fried, scrambled, poached or omelettes. All up to you. They do freshly made pho. I like one plain pho.
Beef or chicken?
No beef, no chicken.
Only noodles?
Just the noodles and soup. I'm a very plain eater, so just noodles, chicken soup and spring onions. That'll do me. On the other hand, my mum and my dad ordered beef pho and they loved it. Here is the build your own banh mi section, which is the world famous Vietnamese baguette. This section is the traditional Vietnamese steamed sticky rice. Steamed sticky rice, fried egg, a piece of fatty juicy pork, some sauce, tofu and more sauce, sausages, pork paste, crushed peanuts, pork floss, dried shrimps, chili sauce, and some spring onion oil.
Thank you.
Yum. Here comes my sister's favorite, waffles, pancakes, and French toast. And there's loads of tropical fruits. Well, we're on a tropical island, right? Look, my mum even built her own congee. Fresh coconut water, Vietnamese sticky rice, banh mi, and pho. Seriously, I'm so into Vietnamese food now.
Oh, guys, I've been stuffed with all the food. We better do something to burn it off. Let's go to the theme park.
Hey guys, you know what? There's a big theme park just right next to the resort. I would say it's more fun than Disneyland, seriously. Stay tuned. In the next video, I'm going to tell you all the fun things on the island. Stay tuned. We had buffet dinner twice at the resort, and they are completely different experiences. Follow me, I'll show you why.
Hi guys, we're at the hotel lobby and we're gonna try the buffet dinner. Let's go.
Alright, always have to scan faces first. It's all recorded nowadays, right? The food at the buffet dinner is so delicious. There's a big range of every cuisine. Look at this lump of crispy pork. What? My sister's having roast beef with marshmallow skewer? What kind of combination? There's burgers and pizzas and soup. Look how big is this? Parmesan cheese. And you can create your own pasta dish.
Farfalle carbonara.
The sushi and sashimi are so fresh. There's a salad section. How many dressings have they got? There's even a section of Korean side dishes. And the breads and baguette and the focaccias. Here comes the traditional Vietnamese food section. Southern fried beef noodle soup. And the chef cooks freshly right in front of you. How good is this? Okay, we tried the snail vermicelli for the first time. I was thinking it might have a bit of a weird smell, but it turns out so fresh and delicious.
Fish.
Oh my god, I just can't get past this dessert section. Anyone could tell me how many calories if I tried one piece from every plate? Oh well, forget about it. I'm diving in. And guys, that's not all. Here comes the freshly made crepes and ice cream. I cannot pass that fridge without ordering one.
I'll have vanilla and chocolate.
Oh gosh, what am I doing? Alright, calorie overload, and I lost my willpower completely. So our second buffet dinner experience is sunset barbecue by the pool. So literally we got out of the pool to the playground, and then the playground directly to the feast. Oh my god, look at this view. And this food. And there are live music and fire performances. And an outdoor ice cream station? I'm telling you, it just gets better and better and better.
Thinking of you so long, never felt a feeling quite this strong.
It's like
We got dragged onto the stage to play some games. So I was thinking, fire performances like this next to the dinner table is probably not allowed in Australia, with all of these healthy and safety rules, but they're allowed here in Vietnam. So more rules, less fun. Less rules, more fun. I guess there's just no perfect solution, you know what I mean?
This is 4 o'clock in the morning and we're leaving.
This is what the lobby looks like at 4 o'clock in the morning. Ooh, check these workers out. In Australia, that's definitely not allowed. You probably have to have a special license to climb that high. That's why everything is so expensive in Australia. We absolutely enjoyed our stay at Vinpearl Wonderworld Phu Quoc. So I'll ask my family, what is the best selling point to you at this hotel? Like the things that touch you and make you want to come back. So my mum said it's all the little details. For example, the fresh detox water, free all the time. And my dad said he likes the kids club with all these fun activities, and he could just dump us there all day. What? And for me, it's probably the breakfast they packed us on the day we were leaving. It was 4 o'clock in the morning and we totally didn't expect that. And there's water, yogurt, banh mi, and cakes. It really touches me because it makes me feel that they care till the moment we leave. Oh, for my sister, it's probably the dance in the pool, the popping Vietnamese music, and the garden sprinklers that were right next to the shower. Everything is just perfect.
Don't worry, Clay, I'm not gonna pet you. It's eating me!
See you in the next video. Bye!
It's eating me! It's trying to eat me!